Hello, I'm Maria Guglielmo, and I'm an assistant professor of neurosurgery at Brown University. My clinical interests include chronic pain and adult hydrocephalus. In my writing life, I write under M.A. Guglielmo, and I've published 6 novels. I'm also an Author Accelerator certified book coach, and currently I'm the president of the Romance Writers of Rhode Island, which is a group dedicated to promoting excellence within women's and genre fiction. The title of my presentation is The Creative and the Clinical, How Book Coaching Can Take You from Practice to Publication. In it, I talk about 2 journeys in my life, the journey of becoming a neurosurgeon and my journey of becoming an author and a book coach. I also talk about how book coaching can help physicians and other busy professionals realize their literary dreams. If you're a writer at any stage, or if you've ever thought, I should write a book, then this is the presentation for you. Hope to see you there.